is more clarity over bass.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop. Nice. The box slid in?
Yeah, it keeps moving, so I got a piece of wood just holding it in place.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah,
nice.
It works. It works.
So did you have to add a baffle or what happened?
Last night, as I was demoing, the bottom screws and ripped the whole battery.
Oh, got it.
So for a quick fix, I threw a new face on it and let it ride.
Can I see real quick? Do you have a battery over here or anything, or is it in there?
Everything's, the battery's back here, but all the amps are in the back seat.
Got it, okay. We'll take a picture real quick. Okay, all right. What's your name and what's in here, man?
All right, my name is Aaron, 2018 Chrysler 300S. So this is what's considered a street battle car, where it's more clarity over bass. I have two SPL Audio Recombs soft parts and two Cosmos Audio EP 6000s.
Okay.
So each sub has an RMS of 6,000 watts. I have two Cosmo Audio 3000 strapped at half on. I have 1 teraamp 3K running the 10-inch speakers that's here in the doors.
Yep.
I have a teraamp 3K running 2 8s. I have a 800 by 4 running the tweeters and a 400 by 4 on the compression horns. Everything is staged, so that way it's more clarity than just bass.
Got it. Yes, sir. And the battery bank you said was underneath?
It's under the back. Yes, sir. Under the floor back there.
Looks really good though, man. And you can actually put your seats down or up.
Or up. I came here with 2 kids.
Yeah,
so
correct.
Sitting in the back.
Yes, sir. Is there any reason you have your box pushed almost all the way to the back? Is it louder? Is there testing on that? Or?
Well, these cars are designed with the hump in the center back there, and the box will slide all the way back, and this is custom built.
Got it.
So I broke my original box, so this is just something to get in here so I can get to the show today.
Yes, sir. Work in progress. Okay, got it. Did you do any SPL tests in this vehicle? See what your loudest you got out of it was?
I haven't metered it yet. I just finished putting all the bass together. Because recombs, blowing subs, and everything.
Oh yeah,
so
yes sir, you're good.
It's definitely a work in progress.
All right. Yeah, man, sounds good. I love to hear it. I like the doors, everything. I'm sure you can hear all the lyrics. So door open, you said, is better?
Yeah, door open is better.
Okay.
Just go ahead and push it.
All right. Nice.
I'm having problems in real life, fuck all that internet shit, I'm not into that shit. She having problems too, she can send me a text, want me to pull up and give it a dick. She know a nigga so ill with this shit, she know a nigga be killing that shit. Her man and their homies be gone, I ain't seen her that much since the COVID, she want me to coach. What the fuck you going on? Lord knows I will. She gon' have me pulling out a pistol. Lord knows I will. She gon' have me. You gon' shoot me for? I just seen your ass on the TV the other day. You can go get you a new love. They say, hold on.
Yo, I ain't niggas really they try to hit me. I ain't stories, lately I've been riding bubbles. The niggas I say no, I had to put out some diamonds alone. I had to get on my grind by my lonely. I don't need nobody but me and my 40. Go. Nobody but me and my daughters. Don't need nobody but me and my lawyers. Even if we don't look at the court, put it outside the courthouse in the main bag. Hopping out cleaner than Red Jags. It's gonna be some cameras. Say that Burberry pick. It cost me 8 racks. You get you another bottle. Fuck with a stepping down. Fuck all you niggas ain't hot. Come get some records. And I will never hide. No way that that's Get some pressure, can't be known. I be giving them lectures and sex and all. She be throwing it back. Her nigga dumb in the she don't know how to act. I heard her voice from the south side, running it back. She looked at me and said, no, you can't. I was too far, go to get. The door is my go, but I know that bitch ain't on that. It'll be blessed. I'm like slime right on you. I know you my homie, she know me. I was just about to get out of here, homie. Privacy, me and her, we just keep chillin'. I'm really the best. She talking to me, she stressed. And last night, just know she told me she think that you a curse. I really think that you a blessing. Think about it, just put down the weapon. But then
Shit, really ain't trying to eat, let me fry your shoulders. Notice lately I've been quiet and focused. The nigga that I say no, I had to cut off some ties with some homies. I had to get on my grind by my lonely. I don't need nobody but me and my 40. No, nobody but me and my daughters. Don't need nobody but me and my lawyers. Even if we lose, we can afford. Pull up outside the courthouse in the Maybach. Hopping out cleaner than Ajax. Always gonna be some cameras. Say that. Urban Pico, this thing cost me 8 racks. You get you a whole nother vibe when you fuck with a step or down. When you nigga who's still in the fuck all you niggas ain't high. You can come get some break you falling, then I won't never hide. There's no way that I stare in your eyes and make you feel sexy, darling. Okay, that you pressure, I can't be normal. I be giving you lectures and sex and all. She be doing it back. Her nigga dumb in her man, she don't know how to act. I think I heard a voice in my side saying, honey, I'm back. She looked up at me and it'll be a blessing. Mama over me, I might slap right on you. I know you wrong, nigga.
Wow. I wanted to open the door kind of to see the difference in the pressure. It does definitely load off of that door. You did a good job, man. And I know you said it was a work in progress, but I'm glad to be able to hear it. And thank you. Nice to meet you, man. Privilege.
You too, Jacob.
And I'm sure it sucked to hear the sub pop issue earlier with the baffle, but you made it work, man.
Made it work. Hey.
And you made it to show. Nice to use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.